my dear children, we are doing chapter number 6 of geography, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. Yesterday we had discussed about the vegetation and life of the people of Saudi Arabia. In vegetation we had discussed that the plants like cacti, thorny bushes and kikar, they can survive only in the desert region as they need less water to grow and they can survive without water for many days. And in life of the people we had discussed that life of the people is very difficult in the desert region. People used to walk 4 to 5 kilometers for getting a pot of water due to acute shortage of water. Now today we are going to discuss about the wildlife of Saudi Arabia, or we can say the animals which are found in Saudi Arabia. The most important and useful animal is camel, which is found in Saudi Arabia, or you can say in the desert region. Camel is the only animal which can survive in the desert region as it can survive without food and water for many days. It can store food and water in its hump for future purpose. It has padded feet which help to walk on loose sand easily. It can store water and food in its hump for many days for future purpose, and it has padded feet which help to walk on loose sand easily. So it is the most important and useful animal in the desert region. Due to all these reasons, camel is called ship of the desert. Other animals are also found here. Animals like Arabian horse and jackals are also found here. Some birds are also found here. Birds like pigeon and quails are also found here. Barter system is there in the desert region. Barter system means exchange of things. You know students, camel's hair and skin are used to make different things. Things like mats, carpets, baskets, tents, etc. These things people used to exchange with the things that they need in their daily life. Things like medicines, food grains, tea, coffee, milk products, etc. They used to exchange their things like mats, carpets, baskets, etc. with the things that they need in their daily life. And this exchange of things is called barter system. So this is all about the wildlife of Saudi Arabia.